So hi everyone, welcome to this new YouTube video where we're going to start a new chapter in biology. Okay, it's in science, but biology is a branch of science. I hope you are very clear with the meaning of what does biology means. So if I have to break down its word, biology, logy, wherever you get the word logy, it can be anything. It can be psychology. It can be simple. We use logy many a times. Logy means studies. Okay, every time logy, the last word that is there, logy, that means studies. Bio is what you see around you. Bio can be anything. Bio can be living things that you see around you. So there are a lot of living things that you see around you. There are plants, there are animals. Take for example, you are a living thing. Study of living things around you is called biology. So we are going to start a new chapter in this, and this chapter we are going to start is chapter 11, which is cell structure and microorganisms. CELL is cell structure and micro micro organisms. We will break down these words. What does it mean and how is it? We'll break down these words as we go ahead in this class and in this chapter. What I'm planning to is to take 4 classes. The first class will be just a clear introduction about what cell is. Then the second class will be around how cell looks, what is the structure of a cell. And then we'll go to microorganisms. I will give a clear breakout when we come to the Zoom class. So don't worry about it. This is chapter 11 from your test. Okay. Now, to have the objective for this class that I'm taking right now, the objective is the WWBAT that you can see on the screen. What I'm talking about is this thing that you can see on the screen here, WWBAT. That is, we will be able to. We will 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 be able to. So we will be able to arrange the different organizational levels of body. Now, what does it mean? It's a big word, organizational levels. So there are different organs in a body, okay? Right from in, and this chapter is particularly focused on what we are, what our body is made up of, what plant body is made up of, okay? What is the basic thing that is there in our body? We'll go deep dive into that thing, okay? So organizational levels. So let me tell you beforehand only, in your body, if you try to see inside, okay, just body is a very complex thing. If you start thinking about it, just imagine how if you blink an eye, the eye closes, one of the muscles gets contract. If you move your hand, for example, I'm moving the hand, there are a lot of things that are going in when I move my hand. Even when I move my finger, this muscle is contracting, then there should be something inside which helps it contract. It's a very complex thing. We will study about that. So when I talk about organizational levels, there are certain levels. And what are the levels is good, we are going to study now. And then you will be able to arrange it according to which is the lowest, which is the highest. So bear with me. But before going on to the exact thing and how it looks in the body, if for example, I tell you now, okay, now you have a textbook, okay, I tell you go deep into the textbook and tell me what's the smallest thing that textbook is made of. What's the smallest thing? And I am talking about not the paper and all, like what is the textbook made up of, what is the smallest thing is there in the textbook. Okay, first the biggest thing that you can see is obviously textbook, right? You can see a textbook. Then when I go inside, when you open the textbook, what is the next important thing that you can see? What I can see is obviously is chapters, the number of chapters that are made. That is textbook is actually made of the number of chapters, that 20 chapters. So textbook is made up of 20 chapters. And I go deep into the chapters. अभी chapters में से और छोटा क्या रहेगा? It is individual lesson. Individual lesson. मतलब टेक्स्ट बुक था बड़ा, उसके अंदर भी got chapters. Now I'm going or inside. Or inside मतलब एक chapter. That is one lesson. Now what is, अगर मैं lesson के अंदर जाऊँ तो what will I get? If I go more into deep, I get sentences, right? Lessons के बाद I get sentences. अब इस सेंटेंसेस के अंदर जाओ. सेंटेंसेस के अंदर, if sentence is there, what is the smallest thing inside the sentence? The smallest thing inside the sentence are words, right? Words. Individual words make a sentence. अगर एक sentence है I am a boy, so I is a different word, am is a different word, a is a different word, boy is a different. So ये 4 words बना के एक sentence बनता है. So what I'm doing initially is, अगर टेक्स्ट बुक बनाना है तो उसके लिए क्या रहने चाहिए? चैप्टर्स रहने चाहिए. चैप्टर्स बनाना है तो उसके लिए क्या रहना चाहिए, एक इंडिविजुअल लेसन बना रहना चाहिए। अभी एक लेसन को बनाना है उसमें क्या रहना चाहिए, उसमें सेंटेंस रहने चाहिए। Now if I have to make sentences, what are the things that I need is words. Now if I go deep dive into words, words बनाने के लिए क्या रहना चाहिए, the last thing is alphabets. So if I see this right from the textbook to alphabets, अल्फाबेट इज द बेसिक थिंग। अगर अल्फाबेट नहीं होगा तो ना वर्ड बनेंगे, वर्ड नहीं होगा तो ना सेंटेंसेस बनेंगे। देयर आर नो सेंटेंसेस, देयर विल बी नो लेसन, इफ देयर आर नो लेसन देयर इज नो चैप्टर, इफ देयर इज नो चैप्टर देयर इज नो टेक्स्ट। दिस इज रिलेटेड टू टेक्स्ट। नाउ सिमिलरली, if you think about your body, think about your body, you see different organs around you. You see your eyes, you see your nose, you see your ears, you see the hands, you see your legs. But there should be something basic inside your body जो ये सब बना है. What is it? Now we'll deep dive and the whole lesson is about that simplest thing. What is it? And how does it function? The whole lesson is that. What is the biggest thing that you see around yourself when you see your body? What is the biggest thing you see? Pause for 10 seconds, stop the video, think about it. And for me, the biggest thing that I see is our body itself. The whole body itself is called the whole body. It can be also called as organism. Biology, mein, whenever we use body in very general terms in English when we speak, but in biology, the same body can we use organisms. Organisms, matlab different animals or plants that you can see around you. You are an organism. Okay. Now, if I go deep into the body, अभी पूरा body आया, then what is the next thing? Small or छोटा thing. Body के अंदर अगर मैं जाऊँ, तो what can I classify it? That is organ system. Now, what is organ system? Okay, what is organ system? Please watch, pause the video here, take down proper notes. Okay, take down proper notes of the last thing that I taught. Also, this thing. This is very important. Now, what is organ system? Now, there are different functions in your body. Please, okay, different organs have different functions. For example, take digestion. Digestion के लिए your basic thing starts with a meal. You should eat food. So digestion is a type of process which requires different organs. You use mouth, you use this food pipe, then it goes to the intestine. It has different functions. There is pancreas. So all these organs, your mouth, your intestine, your pancreas, your kidney, which excretes out the waste and all this together makes one system. तो ये सब एक सिस्टम बनाते हैं, ये सब ऑर्गन्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एन ऑर्गन सिस्टम. डाइजेशन के लिए अलग होता है, एक्सक्रीशन के लिए अलग होता है, रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए अलग होता है. ओके, सो डिफरेंट बिग फंक्शंस के लिए डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स आर ग्रुप टुगेदर, सो दे फॉर्म वन सिस्टम, दैट इज ऑर्गन सिस्टम. फिर ऑर्गन सिस्टम के मैं अंदर जाऊं तो क्या क्या मिलेगा मुझे, इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गन्स. ऑर्गन सिस्टम के अंदर मुझे मिलेंगे इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गन्स, राइट. अभी इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गन्स के भी अंदर जाऊं, what is the thing that organs are made up of? See, body is made up of organ system. Organ system is made up of organs. What is organ made up of? Organ is made up of something called tissue. This can be a new word to you. I'm not sure if this was there in 6 or something. But organ system, yeah, organ is made up of tissue. Tissue रहता है when even on your skin. If you see ना, if you see through a microscope, if you go to the level, there are tissues. small tissues रहता है, ठीक है. What is it? We'll go deep dive into later on. But let's understand this part or just remember this part. Organs are made up of tissues. Now the important tissue किससे बने? Tissue is made up of something very basic and something that the whole lesson is about, and something that is very important in the whole your body. आपका body basic जिससे बना है, that is called cell. CELL, cell. दिस इज द बेसिक थिंग या स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग जिससे बॉडी बनना स्टार्ट होता है. इसके नीचे देर आर सेल के अंदर कुछ होते हैं, बट देर इज नथिंग इनसाइड इट. ओके, सेल इज द बेसिक थिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू मेक दैट बिल्डिंग ना, वो खिलौने वाला, देयर इज अ बेसिक ब्लॉक ना दैट यू टेक, फिर उसमें ज्वाइन करते रहते हैं. वैसे ही एक सेल को लेके उसमें सेल ज्वाइन करने से यू गेट अ टिश्यू. ओके, सेल इज द बेसिक थिंग. सेल सबसे छोटा या सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, उसके वजह से बॉडी आखिर में बनता है. सेल इज द स्मॉलेस्ट थिंग. फॉर एग्जांपल, हाउ यू सॉ इन द टेक्स्ट बुक, एन अल्फाबेट से एक बड़ा टेक्स्ट बुक बन सकता है. एक अल्फाबेट तो पहले लिखना चाहिए, उसके पहले कुछ नहीं, अल्फाबेट तो आना चाहिए. वैसे सेल इज द बेसिक थिंग दैट वी. सो प्लीज वॉच दिस लेक्चर अगेन, राइट डाउन योर नोट्स, arrange this as you want. You can make diagrams, you can make it more wonderful as you remember. You can make a shortcut also. For example, body ka B leke, O ka O leke, O ka O, organ ka O leke, do as it is, but remember it. Okay, so that's all for the class. See you on the sync class, where we'll go deep dive into what else can we do about cells. Okay, what else can we study? So thank you. Send me an image of your notes when you're done doing that. Thank you.